Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for coming by and seeing your girl. I hope though that before you leave, you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it. So as you guys are read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. And y'all, I think she gonna be a banger. Why? Because it's the Headband Wigs. I know everybody done seen them on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Yes, y'all, I got a headband wig. So I did get this unit from YSDIDWIGS on Amazon. She is your 16-inch straight Brazilian, okay? She has 150% density and she is glueless, sis. That's right, you don't need no gots to be. You just gots to have a scarf, okay? So the wig did come in this cute bag. I showed you guys this bag before for my last unit. I freaking love this bag. Like, I actually store some of my wigs in this bag. But inside, you're gonna get 2 scarves, okay? And then you're gonna get your wig. Okay. So right out the pack, this is how the hair is looking, okay? And so it's gonna come with your standard combs. You got your 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. It's also not gonna come with adjustable straps. It's just gonna come with this strap. So you'll put the hair on and then this will be like your adjustable strap. And I love how they actually made the Velcro like a good size so you can actually adjust it. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this on and let's see what she's working with. And a disclaimer, okay, I just got my Felicia braids under this wig, so don't come for me again. All right, so since I'm natural and this is a straight wig, I went ahead and stretched my hair. I'll probably just end up flat ironing just this little bit here so that way it's like sleek and it actually looks realistic and not so wavy. So yeah, that's what I'm going to end up doing. So let's go.
Go, payday, go, go. Go, payday, go, go. Go, payday, go, go. Go, payday, go, go.
All right, guys, so I'm done styling this unit, and y'all, I'm speechless. Like, I mean, what do I need to say? Y'all see the slay. Like, y'all see the slay. Let's just go ahead and talk about the specs. So the hair is super soft. Like, look at this. Like, it's giving me like fresh, y'all know I got mommy brain. Chill. It's giving me fresh silk press vibes. Jesus Christ. It's giving me like really silk press vibes. Like, I went to the salon and got a silk press, and then I just decided to put a headband on my hair and go about my business, okay? I love that it's not so thick that it gives you that natural kind of look, you know? It's not a lot of hair, it's not heavy. I can breathe, my neck can breathe, because you know, it's hot, so we don't got time for sweaty necks. But yeah, so I love that I can breathe in this wig, like, this quick and easy. Like, and you probably don't really need to do all the steps I did. You could probably just literally put it on and go. However, I did want it to do like more of like a middle part look and slick down my hair so it looks more like it's my hair type of vibe. Y'all know how I do, okay? So yeah, super cute, super cute. I have so many headbands, y'all, so you know she about to get rocked, okay? Like, with all my headbands. So if you guys are interested in purchasing her, okay, get into it. I will leave that link down below so that way y'all can get y'all hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.